Greetings, friends. Today we have the awesome Transformers Remote Control Optimus Prime from Jada. How cool does he look with the epic retro packaging? There's a hologram showing how it converts from robot to truck and back again. Let's check this out. Look at all the detail, chrome finish on the grille, fuel tank, hubcaps and bumpers. The eyes light up as well as the headlights. The attention to detail is so realistic. The control has a forwards and backwards, left and right. These two here we will show you later. This is so easy to control. It's time to show you what these buttons do. How cool is that?
Win this race. Megatron must be stopped, no matter the cost. Let's roll.
The Optimus Prime radio-controlled Autobot is awesome. It's great fun, and look at how easy it transforms. The Transformers radio-controlled Optimus Prime is available in stores now. Goodbye, friends.